radar screen erupts, 47 hostile drones, 17 cruise missiles, 3 ballistic threats, incoming at hypersonic velocity from multiple vectors across a 300-mile front. Every weapon timed to arrive simultaneously, overwhelming human operators drowning in data they cannot process fast enough. Legacy command centers would collapse under this assault. Too many targets, too little time, human decision-making bottlenecked while death approaches at supersonic speed. But this isn't legacy architecture. In a hardened bunker in eastern Ukraine, a single operator watches as artificial intelligence processes the chaos in milliseconds. LatisOS, the mesh network humming beneath modern warfare, autonomously assigns defensive fires, coordinates interceptors, and executes synchronized response before enemy munitions reach half their flight distance. The operator doesn't control, they supervise, and that distinction just saved an entire military formation. 8:47 hours, Anduril Industries headquarters, Costa Mesa, California, September 2025. What you're witnessing represents the most profound shift in military command since precision-guided munitions changed warfare forever. While America's adversaries spent decades building integrated air defense systems designed to defeat U.S. force architectures, a 27-year-old billionaire and his team of Silicon Valley engineers built something those adversaries never anticipated: an AI-powered operating system that turns centralized vulnerabilities into distributed advantages, compresses decision cycles from minutes to microseconds, and enables single operators to command fleets of autonomous systems across multiple domains simultaneously. This is Lattice, the $30.5 billion company's software backbone, the digital nervous system for decision-centric warfare, and it's already deployed at battlefield scale. The strategic equation is unforgiving. China's People's Liberation Army explicitly designed system destruction warfare to attack known US command nodes. Identify the central hub, eliminate it, watch the entire force structure collapse. Russia's Murmansk BN electronic warfare systems jam link 16 tactical data links that American forces depend on. Iran fields mobile missile launchers that relocate before traditional targeting cycles complete. North Korea's command bunkers sit buried under mountains specifically to survive decapitation strikes. Against these threats, legacy command systems become catastrophic liabilities. Centralized hubs vulnerable to kinetic and cyber attack, radio networks susceptible to jamming, human-centric decision loops too slow for weapons traveling at Mach 20. The architecture that won Desert Storm cannot survive the electromagnetic battle space of 2025. Lattice shatters every assumption underlying adversary planning. The platform operates as a decentralized mesh network with edge-based artificial intelligence. There's no central hub to target, no single point of failure. Each node, whether a surveillance tower on the US-Mexico border, an autonomous submarine patrolling Pacific depths, or a counter-drone system protecting forward bases, runs AI-powered sensor fusion locally, makes autonomous decisions when communications degrade, and automatically resynchronizes when connectivity restores. Compare this to anything else fielded globally. Russia's S-500 air defense can engage perhaps 8 targets simultaneously. China's integrated systems require centralized coordination vulnerable to the same attacks they designed for American forces. Lattice's battle management network, powered by GPT-4o models from OpenAI and data fusion infrastructure from Palantir, can coordinate responses to hundreds of incoming threats across multiple domains, not sequentially, simultaneously, instantaneously. The performance metrics tell the revolution's scale: sub-second sensor-to-shooter timelines in close defense scenarios, single operators commanding 12+ autonomous platforms across air, sea, and ground, detection accuracy exceeding 95% with false alarm rates below 5%, deployment timelines measured in hours rather than weeks, and the strategic multiplier 40 to 45% gross margins compared to 8 to 10% for traditional defense contractors, because software scales without hardware's crushing cost structures. The story begins not as a weapon, but as border security. Summer 2017, Palmer Luckey sells Oculus VR to Facebook for $2.3 billion, gets ousted over political controversies, and decides applying Silicon Valley velocity to defense hardware represents the future. He co-founds Anduril with former Palantir executives, raises venture capital, and begins deploying autonomous surveillance towers along America's southern border. By July 2020, Customs and Border Protection designates Lattice a program of record. 333-foot solar-powered towers now provide roughly 30% coverage of the entire southern land border. Autonomous operation, set up in under 2 hours. Detection ranges from 2 to 9 miles, depending on variant. Each tower eliminates 3 Border Patrol agents per shift, compared to manned systems. Not replacing humans, multiplying their effectiveness through machine intelligence. But the transformation came when Lattice went to war. March 2022. Russia invades Ukraine. Within 2 weeks, Anduril deploys hardware, including Altius loitering munitions and LatisOS, integrating data from drones, satellites, and ground sensors to create comprehensive battlefield awareness in GPS-denied, heavy electronic warfare environments. Ukrainian forces report substantial increases in operational effectiveness as Lattice's autonomous target identification reduces engagement times from minutes to seconds. The UK orders £30 million in additional Altius drones specifically for Ukraine operations. First combat photos confirm these systems operate autonomously after launch, searching for targets without operator guidance through heavy jamming environments designed to blind NATO forces. Then US military exercises demonstrated multi-domain integration at scales previously impossible. Navy Integrated Battle Problem 24.1 in March 2024 served as Lattice's breakthrough demonstration. The platform functioned as primary mission management software for US Pacific Fleet operations, with over 100 geographically distributed operators controlling more than 12 platforms across air, surface, and subsea domains simultaneously. Dive LD autonomous underwater vehicles conducted 120-hour missions covering hundreds of nautical miles. Multiple beyond line-of-sight Altius launches from unmanned surface vessels. Coordinated multi-domain targeting and strike. 100% recovery rate for all launch systems, proving both combat reliability and cost-effectiveness through reusability. Picture this operational scenario unfolding. South China Sea, 2028. 4 F-47 next-generation fighters penetrate contested airspace at 60,000 feet, each commanding 3 Fury autonomous collaborative combat aircraft. Unmanned, expendable, lethal. Chinese J-20 and J-35 stealth fighters patrol below. S-400 and HQ-9 missile batteries track everything within 300 miles. Type 052D destroyer formations bristle with advanced air defense systems. From Beijing's perspective, an impenetrable defensive bubble. They don't see the Ghost Fleet approaching. The F-47s maintain radio silence, radar cross-sections smaller than sparrows. Through Lattice Mesh's laser communications immune to jamming, the fighters share targeting data with their autonomous wingmen spread across a 100-mile front. Each Fury's sensors, radar, electro-optical, infrared, signals intelligence, detect every Chinese vessel, aircraft, and radar emission. Lattice's AI algorithms, trained on millions of simulated encounters, fuse this intelligence into targeting solutions faster than any human brain could process. The entire Chinese formation is being dissected in real time by sensors they can't detect, transmitted on frequencies they can't intercept, processed by algorithms they can't counter. When engagement authorization arrives, the autonomous wingmen execute. Hypersonic anti-ship missiles drop from internal bays, accelerating to Mach 6. Chinese destroyer radar operators see nothing until weapons materialize 7 seconds from impact. Simultaneously, coordinated strikes against air cover. AI-directed missiles streak toward fighters from multiple vectors. The pilots never acquire their attackers. 3 minutes, 40 seconds. The confident patrol becomes scattered wreckage. But here's the strategic genius. Lattice didn't just coordinate this strike, it learned from it. Every sensor reading, engagement outcome, defensive response feeds through Palantir's Maven smart system, training better AI models. The data flywheel compounds advantage with each deployment. Pentagon procurement responds faster than any program in recent memory. Chief Digital and AI Office awards $100 million over 3 years. selecting Lattice Mesh as tactical edge for joint all-domain command and control. Special Operations Command increases contracts to $1.9 billion through 2032. Marine Corps commits $642 million for counter-UAS over 10 years. Space Force awards $99.7 million to replace 40-year-old infrastructure. Australia orders $1.12 billion Ghost Shark autonomous submarines. Over $3 billion in cumulative awards across services, domains, and allied nations. At Costa Mesa headquarters, developers integrate OpenAI models. At Arsenal, one in Ohio, $1 billion investment spanning 5 million square feet. Teams prepare manufacturing tens of thousands of systems annually starting July 2026. 4,000 direct jobs. Hyperscale manufacturing applying consumer electronics philosophy to military hardware. Palmer Luckey frames the moral equation. It's not smart weapons versus no weapons. It's smart weapons versus dumb weapons. There's no moral high ground to land mines that can't tell school buses from armor. Lattice's autonomous classification delivers 95% accuracy, reducing collateral damage. Strategic superiority through software carries profound implications. For 70 years, nuclear deterrence rested on mutual vulnerability. Lattice breaks that equation by enabling distributed adaptive force presentation, making adversary targeting impossibly complex. Lattice embodies the paradigm shift from platform-centric to decision-centric warfare. When hypersonic weapons travel faster than human reaction, when adversaries field drone swarms, when electronic warfare degrades centralized command, the side-compressing kill chains through AI redefines what's possible. So here's the question. Would you trust AI systems making engagement decisions at machine speed, or insist on human control even when delay costs lives? This is DIB Dispatch, where billion-dollar projects meet battlefield reality.